Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using Deep UK products and some nail strips. But before we start, I just want to quickly mention that I do have a discount code on Deep UK website. So if you use Grace20, you will get 20% discount on your total purchases. But this excludes bags and deep roulette. So now into the video. Here is the powder that I will be using today, and this is in the shade Pana Cotta, and here is the close-up look of the powder. So this one is a very nice milky white shade. And also in this video, I will be using some nail strips that I got from Amazon. And for the liquids, I will be using my Deep UK base as well as the Activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. So then next, as always, I will be applying my UNT peel-off base. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure. You don't need to apply this on your nails if you want your manicure to last. So then next, I move on to my deep powder application. So I apply a thin layer of the base on my nail and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So first, I apply one layer of clear on all of my nails. So once I'm finished with one layer of clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my Pana Cotta, and I will be applying this on all of my nails. And I'm going to apply 3 coats of this shade, but you will only see me applying 2 coats on camera because I did the 3rd coat off camera just because I don't really want my video to be too long. So once I'm finished with my Pana Cotta, I move on to my nail strips. So what I do is cut my nail strip into pieces. And then I move on to the application. So I apply a thin layer of the base on half of my nail. So while the base is still wet, I use my tweezer to place the nail strip on my nails. So once I'm happy with the placement of my nail strips, I grab my cuticle nipper and just cut the end of the nail strips. And then I went back with my clear to encapsulate it. This will protect the nail strip from filing and buffing. You can even do 2 coats of clear if you want to, but in this video I only did 1, and I didn't really have any problem with filing and buffing. But as I said, it's very important to clear encapsulate your nails. So then I just repeat the same step on all of my nails. So then once I'm finished encapsulating my nails, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to the activator. So I spray generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. Then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera and then I brush up all the dust. And then I clean my nails with alcohol spray. You can always wash your hands if you want to. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat, and I will be applying 2 coats of this on all of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil. And we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you on my next one.